Gorilla Tag, but we can with Gorilla 3214. He's not on YouTube. It's just a friend. Okay, so
I am on YouTube.
okay, we can't touch the colors pink and nah, bro. Again, okay.
No, that's too
Green.
easy.
Oh no, I'm not doing that. Okay, actually, okay,
green
Gorilla
and
Tag, but we can't touch the color. Whatever this is. Yeah, different color. I don't know.
Okay, I'll pick.
Okay, Gorilla Tag, but we can't touch the color blue.
Okay, that's easy.
Yeah.
Wait a
We're
minute.
gonna have to make it to science map.
I'm gonna come with you.
Yeah.
Okay, wait, I have a shot. Follow me. Can you wall
Alright.
run? Can you wall run? Follow me. Get over here. Wait a minute. You're blue.
Yeah, but that doesn't count. It isn't like the sea blue. It doesn't count because I'm blue. It doesn't count. You almost fell. And if you're saying the snow is blue, no, it's not. It's white.
It's white. Snow is white.
It looks blue, but it's white.
Imagine I touched the
What did you touch?
Imagine I touched the rope.
Bruh. The rope is brown tannish. And that isn't even like blue. That isn't blue. That isn't blue. That's like magenta.
It's blue, I promise you.
Okay, we're gonna have to make it science map. I know we're gonna have to make it science map, but I forgot where science map is. Do you know where science map? Okay, let's go.
In the basement?
Damn, there's a lot of blue though. There is a lot of blue. Look, come down. Come down. Yo, come down. Don't touch it. Do not touch it. Go back.
No, you're not make it. Wait, I was strapped. Get up here.
Okay.
Jump on it.
Wait, that's a bit risky. No, I ain't risking it. I made it.
Okay, let's say that we have 3 lives. Okay?
Yeah, you lost one. Okay.
I lost.
Now I have 2 lives left. Okay.
Oh.
No. Last life. You have your last life left. 1 life, and if you lose that life, you cannot revive.
Unless you buy cosmetic.
Yeah.
Is my tracking lost? Bro, it's not for a second my tracking was not. That was close.
Blue dabby, I'm blue dabby. Oh. I'm baller. I'm skin baller. Shaller. Okay, try. No.
Bro, I already touched it.
Okay, bro. This is your last chance, my guy. Do not do the. You made it.
Yep.
Okay, follow me.
Now, everything is good for now. Bro, imagine we got the color green. Actually, the house is kind of good because I'm good at not touching the color green.
Bruh, my guy, how are we not gonna touch the color green when that's the whole thing of the forest? They're like.
Oh, I don't know.
Okay, we can. The color we can't touch is give me back. Give it back.
Wait.
Yeah. Okay. Science map. Your brother's barely. Oh, the slide's kind of blue.
Ew, might I go for the slide, you?
Bro, don't do the slide, you. The slide's actually kind of blue, like my color code. Don't touch Doug. Doug's blue. Hello, Doug. Little butterflies. What the heck? Why did I say butterflies? Okay, go. Basement. Basement's in the city.
That's all we have to get to.
No, basement is no. Actually, science map, and then we science map. Okay, go. Sun snap. Go, go, go.
Okay, we're good.
Damn, the game glitched so much.
That's not good. Oh, imagine we go. We try to go.
Bro, there's a blue ornament, bro.
Okay, we're in.
You can't tag me. Okay, actually you can. You can. I'm not like that blue. Like faded blue. Bro, don't touch the poster. There's a poster that's blue. This gorilla tag pushy. There's a thing that we've never achieved before. Only gorilla tag pros.
Someone in my someone taught me how to do this.
There's like a chest. Oh. Yo, what is this?
There's no chest in there.
Yeah, there's supposed to be a chest.
I don't see a chest. Wait, wait.
Did it get removed? Yeah, I got removed.
Maybe.
Okay, let's get in. Let's get in and fill it up.
Wait, my arm's so.
Yo, am I becoming squeaky?
Oh,
yo,
your voice.
I know. Hi. Wait. Let me show you something. Stay there.
What?
Is my voice deep?
Yeah, really deep.
Okay, I'm coming. Hello. Wait, I'm gonna try a trick shot. Like in one jump. Dang it. Let's go. Do not touch it. Do not touch that stuff.
Guys, there's someone in our lobby.
No. Wait, what?
There's actually someone in our lobby.
Yo.
You hear them? Look at the leaderboard. Look at the leaderboard.
Bro, where's who? There are 2 people who joined, bro. Hello?
Are you guys hello?
How did anyone guess this code, bro? I'm learning a person something. Our fun. Grenade. Okay.
Are you guys in mountains?
No, bruh. We're in science. Okay, get back in. Okay.
We can do a 2v2. We can do a 2v2.
A 2v2? Should we do a 2v2? I don't think so. You guys wanna try to get me? Hold up, guys. Look outside of the bottom, please, real quick.
I gotta get washed. Fill it up. Guys, fill it up. Yeah. Guys. No. Who's tagged? Huh? Something infected the lobby. I'm not lying. This was infection. I want to be on Pink's team.
I want to be on the good player. Right here, purple, me, purple. I'm YouTuber, TikToker, streamer, me, guys.
I'm a YouTuber. I'm a YouTuber.
Don't just say that.
Oh! Guys, it's coming! It's coming! New! I have to read.
What's your name on YouTube?
Hey! Someone's gotta heal me! I'm literally green. Someone has to heal me! Yo, help me, help me. I'm gonna come back up. It's going down! Refill it! Refill it! Yo, can someone fix me? Can someone fix me?
We can fix you when you die.
You.
Hey, can someone fix me?
Wait, maybe I can aim at you.
I'm at the top. Yeah, I'm fixed. Okay, everybody, get to your stations. It's about the volcano. It's gonna erupt in like 20 seconds. 20. I mean 30 seconds.
19.
No, I mean 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's starting to erupt.
Oh my god. Not to that. Not gonna erupt yet. Keep dreaming. Keep dreaming, kid. Keep dreaming. Catch a banana between my little paws. Banana.
It's erupting! No! Someone heal me! Someone heal me, please! Someone heal me!
You should just go when it...
Heal me! Heal me! I'm coming, I'm coming!
Get up.
Coming, I'm coming. This gig sticking out your gat where why am I saying that? My gen alpha stages. Hi! Let me up!
But, this is how people die in movies. And I'm not about to die.
Boing! Boing! The boings! Boing! Boing! Sleeping! Sleeping! Anitoga! Saga! Saga! Yabada! Bere! Bada! Saga! 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 guys, the volcano. Yo, where are you? Someone froze.
On my computer.
Wait, you're on Steam?
No.
Okay, guys, go in the water. The volcano's gonna erupt in 30 seconds.
30?
Oh no, I'm like I'm tiny, but I'm on top of Peter. Oh. Yeah, and guys, not gonna lie, I'm just gonna.
It's erupted.